So here we are in my bathroom again. Shower head's working great. I don't have any complaints on that one. But I'll tell you one thing. I really hate mopping. I've had the sponge mops. I've had the string mops. I've had the self-ring mops. I did find one kick-ass thing. And again, I know you guys are going to hate me. This is not a sponsored video. Although both things are by Bissell, they were on sale. Let's just face it, $150 for the vacuum and under $100 for this. SpinWave. I think I can deal with it. You know, it comes with 2 types of pads, scrubbers, and polishers. And for these tiles, I'm going to show you. Here's a scrubber. Let me show you some pretty cool stuff on this thing too. It's all in a water bottle. Do not drink out of this. Easy markings. Water to here, and then they give you a formula to go up to the top. So don't fill above formula. Fill the water to formula, and this thing literally powers it out and scrubs real nicely. The one thing I like about this is the drying time versus the old-fashioned mopping. Totally different. Even if you go back with the sponge mop and soak it on up, I gotta sit there and take clean water, put it on the floor, mop it up, wring it out, go back over it again. Because I always had 2. I had the clean water, and then I had a spot to dump my dirty water. This right here does 2 in 1. It's pretty cool. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I've just filled up the container. It's got a large room area at the top and a small area. The theory behind it is put in what you're going to use so you don't have any leftover or waste. And what's really cool is they give you 2 bottles with this multi-surface cleaner. Now let's just face it, me and you are just going to, once this is empty, we're going to put anything in there. The only thing it says don't put through is bleach or anything caustic or harsh like that. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna use Fabuloso so I can buy it by a gallon for $1. So, while they gave me this stuff for free, I'm gonna use it. Sit there and just top it off. So what they give you is 2 of these. And this will do about 2.5 bottles full. And let me plug it in and away we go. Well, yeah, but I prefer this over the Swiffer because it costs a lot less. You pay once, and just for the cleaner and whatever water you do use. But brand new pads for this thing are only $16 a piece. And of course, that dog hair, no figure. You know what, you can keep that too. So, to put it on the back, they not only have a cross stitch, they got a dot right in the middle. Fold in half. Dot, screw, screw, dot. I'm sure anybody can figure that out. Again, screw the dot. And what's cool, so just like before, put your foot down and kick back. Makes it a lot easier to clean. And I'm going to need to come in here and really clean my grout. It allows you to get all the stuff, all the areas. I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I like it. And of course, just like any spot, you can see where the roads have been. I like it. It doesn't do corners that well, but hey, it's round. Go figure. Who knew something square could not do, something round could not do a square corner? Do not return this product to the store. We are here to help. Questions or problems with the product? Call 800-237-7691. Even has a spot online, bissell.com/support. Now, I'm not paid or doing any advertisement for Bissell. Hey, they're just the cheapest and probably the best ones I can get right now. So I want to enjoy using these things for years to come, I hope. And if I got to use the warranty, I'll let you guys know on that one too. Now, if that doesn't matter to you, you can always just buy the one that got stolen. 2, 3, 4 years. And all it does, the difference is that one right there will give you instant warranty. Take it back to the store. This one here, I have to send it. Yes, time consuming. Yes, pain in the butt. But I know it's back to the old way of mopping. Nah, that ain't happening. Hope you guys got what you wanted for Christmas. Hope New Year's is going good. Alright, so this was, I'm Oliver for Smash Thumbs, and hopefully you have a great New Year. Take it easy.